Wow.
That was an incredible save.
What?
I think I got something in my eye.
You got some grass all over you.
I can't. He's blending in with the surroundings. I'm trying to put on more camouflage. Is it working? It's all in my hair.
I can barely see ya.
I think they'd hear you coming though.
I think I should do it again.